YouTube, welcome back. My name is Tyvik Starworth, and I'm here to help you get into the game industry, or if you're already in it, make you a little bit better. Maybe drop some knowledge that you don't know about. But today we're going to be talking about reaching out to people for the roles that you desire. This is going to be highly important for the people that are about to go to college. This is going to be very important for the people that are in college, and especially the ones towards their senior year. And this is actually going to be critical for the people who've graduated and don't really know what path they should take. So reaching out to people is easier than you think. And many people have reached out to me since I've started the YouTube channel and asked, what should I learn? Hey, I'm studying this. I'm taking courses for this. I want to get my certification in this. Is this the right thing to do for what I want to do? Or I know what I want to do generally, but I'm not for sure if anything that I'm doing is contributing towards that path. Now listen, guys, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn all day long. I know my path, and I can give you information that can kind of get you into the ballpark of what you're going for. But at the end of the day, the best resource for what you're asking is to actually reach out to the people who are already in your role. If you want to be a game designer, reach out to game designers. And I'm talking multiple companies. Reach out to somebody at Blizzard, somebody at 343 Industries, somebody at Insomniac, somebody at Sucker Punch. It makes a difference because every single role that you've ever heard about applies differently per company. So some game designers at some studios, they do the concepts, they do the documents. They don't really touch the technical aspect with coding and everything. At another studio, game designers actually design the game, they prototype it, they code it, and the code that they use is actually in the shipped game in the end. So you have to know how these companies operate individually from one another. Pick where you want to go at. Contact somebody from the company on LinkedIn. Just send them a simple message. Just say, let's use me for example. I'm gonna say, hey, so and so, my name is Tyvik Starworth. I'm an aspiring game designer who has a very high interest in combat. If you have some time, I would love to set up a short phone call or maybe have a Zoom meeting so I can kind of pick your brain and see if I can get any guidance towards where I'm trying to get to. That's all you have to do. And I'm talking about do this with multiple people again so that you can get different perspectives. I have a friend currently that is getting his way into the industry, and I told him to contact multiple people. He contacted 3. He got a very general answer. And then the 4th person that he contacted gave him a wealth of knowledge about what he should do to actually increase his skills and what to learn in order to make himself a better candidate for the role that he wants. So actually reaching out to people is very beneficial. And that 4th person that he reached out to was actually the lead of the department that he wanted to go into. So you have immediate access pretty much to people who are in high places inside of the companies. And all you have to do is send a simple message that says, hey, I'm an aspiring fill in the blank. Can we have a chat? That's it. It's that easy. Don't make it complicated. You don't have to be nervous. People contact me and they say that they're nervous. I mean, I'm in the game industry, but I'm not a unicorn. I'm not on this high pedestal where I look down on the people trying to join the industry. That's not how it is for anybody. And the worst thing that can happen about contacting somebody is that they don't get back to you. But generally speaking, everybody in the game industry is very receptive to people who reach out to them. So please reach out to people for the roles that you have an interest in, because that's going to help you more than anything. What better to know exactly what you need to do than the person doing the job that you want at the current moment on the day to day? It makes total sense what you think once you think about it, right? So go ahead, right after this video, send a message. It's going to take you 2 minutes to search for somebody who's at a company that you like, in the role that you like. Send them a message to get you the information that you need to make the right steps towards your dream job. And it is super easy. Get out of that shell. Work on that communication. Online, in person, over Zoom, it's going to get you far. And people are generally more receptive than you think. So after this video, like I said, go find a company that you have an interest in. Contact somebody in your role. Do it tonight. Do it today. Do it this morning, whatever time it is. And get the answers you need so that you can stop stressing. Okay? All right, peace.